My name's Rob Sutherland. I'm the viticulturist and vineyard manager of Bortoli Wines in the Yarra Valley. So I've worked for Bortoli since 2005. They're a family company, and if I've got an idea or something that I want to try, I can go directly to the family and say, I think this is a really good idea. It'll make us a better business. So we have 13 dams, irrigation dams on our property across 11 pumping systems. When Bortoli started in the Yarra Valley in 1986, they bought the original property with the original pump and dam on it. So the Davey Monsoon IQ allows us to monitor that pumping irrigation, if you like, a lot more closely. It gives us feedback on faults that happen in our system. So it's monitoring the temperature of the pumps, it's monitoring the flow rate and the pressure rates of our different blocks that we're irrigating. We can set the parameters because we know what the output of that block is meant to be. And anything that's outside those parameters, we're alerted to a fault in the system, if you like, or a breakdown in that irrigation system. That gives us peace of mind that we can set an irrigation schedule. We can then know that those vines are getting that water over that period. Whereas in the past, it's been a bit hit and miss. It's a lot harder to fix the problem when you don't know where it is. Part of our choice of using a Davey product is that they're local and that they provide that backup and service that we crave for to get that, assurance that things are working when they should. So it's knowing that we have people on hand that can come out, fix a problem if we have one, and then we can get going again and make good wine. So we've worked with Danny and Sprinkler Fix for over a decade now, and the reason we use them is we can rely on them. They're here if we have a problem. They're easy to get on with. They tailor what we need to us, if you like. They're very good at that, and it's just that, again, that service that they provide. This system, if you like, gives us that peace of mind so that we can sleep at night knowing that if anything does go wrong, we can fix it the next day. So using this technology that Davey have produced, it allows us to then tweak things as we go along to make sure that we can maximise our efficiency, minimise our water use, and just grow better grapes to make better wine.